Well, hello everyone. Today I'm going to ride from South Milton through Hope Cove and hopefully climb the big hill up to Bulbury. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, this should warm it up. Nice little climb. Ow! Nettles! And here we are descending into Hope Cove. At least I hope it's Hope Cove. Dad joke. Okay, I'm going to go the naughty way. Bloody hell, it's... oh, hang on. Oh, not good. Go the proper way. I love the way you can start on a hill like that. I know I've been here loads of times before, but you know, it is a beautiful little cove. Yeah, it's got so much character. It's such a gorgeous little place. Great meals. Lovely pubs. Oh God, I've forgotten how steep the hills are around here. Get a bit of speed going. I'm going to say it, how cute is that? Right, this massive climb takes me to the coastal path. You know what? I think I'm going to be alright. Light wheeling, nothing drastic. I just climbed all the way out of that valley, straight up here, full power. Not even slightly warm. The difference the gearing makes is unbelievable. Hell of a long way down. Just all the kissing gates have been replaced with normal gates. Are they going to open the paths up officially for bikes? I don't know. Up and over, matey. How do I get over to that? Yes. Right, let's see how she gets up there. I think she'll have no problem. The speed of it! I'm nearly there already. Oh. I always wonder what people are doing in those little yachts. Just sitting off, chilling. And yes, I'm back to that loop that I came to yesterday. This is just the only way to travel, isn't it? Okay, super steep, killer obstacle straight away. Oh. Oh. You know, I could have a go at it, but I don't want to put a pinch flat out here. You can just see how hard that would be on the little BMX tyres. The Bolt Trail. Well, it doesn't say no cycling. But this bit's gorgeous, isn't it? Nice little cove. Absolutely cruises up it. Look at it. Look at this baby go. I knew that lead was too short. It pulled out. Gorgeous trail. Absolutely stunning. Let's go right up to the edge. Oh my God. That's straight down, isn't it? No thank you. That would have been a bad time for the controls to suddenly kick in, wouldn't it? Whoops! Give this a go. Looks a bit of a challenge. Wait, she made it! That's incredible! Oh God! Oh, could I get up there? No. There's a big drop into the sea, including bouncing off rocks on the way down. Back to Hope Cove. It's just the most perfect gearing imaginable. It will power up anything. Front brakes to the handlebars. Well, this is a bit steep. Let's give it a go. Oh my God, no way, no way. It's just too dodgy. Let's see, so I'll just get going here. Here we go. That's the one. Whoa! Oh, this is a different way back. Oh, I don't meet someone coming the other way. Oh, it's good. Haha! Oh, look at this. Look at it. Hey, permissive path. Oh, I'm gonna have to have a look at that, aren't I can see other bikers have been here. Hey! Oh, just lovely. I mean, really, just lovely. It's like another world. Oh, God. Look at this. Just look at it. Perfect for a hot day climbing up. If you were doing something silly like walking. Oh, Jesus. Oh, dear. It's a bit bumpy, wasn't it? Oh, God. My brakes are starting to smell exactly like burning tyres. A little nosy. Probably just goes straight into someone's house and they're like, who are you? Oh no, just goes through. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Steep hill? I thought electric bikes were quiet. Probably makes more noise than a modern moped. Really steep. Let's have a look at this. Old seafaring England. I'm only going down here to see if I can climb back up it. You know what though? Let's give it a go. Unbelievable. Just going to climb up here. I just can't believe the power this thing has got. Oh, everyone wants to run these paths, don't they? It's like they're fitness freaks. It's been a lovely little few hours out. Not even an hour actually. So I will see you again next week, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.